Okay, so one last example here is we multiply polynomials. Once again, this is a two-term polynomial times a 3. So we're going to take each thing in the first one times each thing in the second one, so a times each of those things and 6 times each. And so we begin with a. A times a squared will be a to the third. A times minus 8a will be a minus 8a squared. And then a times 8 would be plus 8a. And so we've taken a now times everything. And then we turn around and we're going to do the same thing with the 6. 6 times minus 8a, or sorry, 6 times a squared will be plus 6a squared. And I match that up with its like term. And then 6 times 8 will be minus 48a. And then 6 times 8 will be plus 48. So just taking each thing in the first times each thing in the second. And then we just go through and we match up our like terms. So a to the third will just come down. We have a minus 8a squared plus 6a squared will leave us minus 2a squared. We have 8 minus 48, which will make it minus 40a. And then finally the plus 48 tags along for the end. And so at this point we've now multiplied it out. There's really not a whole lot more to this process. Now we've done mostly 2 and 3 term polynomials here, but this idea extends if you have a 4-term polynomial times a 4-term. It's going to be a little tedious, but you're just going to take everything in the first times everything in the second. That's how we multiply out polynomials.